As night unfolds, a gentle rain spirit wanders through the tranquil scene. It holds a glowing lantern, illuminating the path to serenity. The spirit whispers affirmations that dance on the rain, caressing the weary soul. Each word is a droplet of healing that penetrates the heart. With each affirmation, the rain washes away layers of doubt and worry. It is a gentle cleansing of the mind under the night sky. The Spirit guides you to a place of stillness where your fears dissolve. Each step in the rain is a journey towards inner peace. Beneath the rain's embrace, the world transforms into a symphony of calm. The Spirit's affirmations blend with nature's lullaby. This sacred dance of rain and light nurtures the seeds of your future. Embrace this moment as an awakening of hope. The rains diminish, leaving behind a world renewed and refreshed. Feel the peace that settles as the storm passes by. With the lantern's light, you glimpse the wholeness within your heart. It's a beacon guiding you towards radiant calm. The rain may cease, yet the Spirit remains within you, a steady light. Let every breath you take be a reminder of this tranquility. The path forward is clear, with affirmations as your steadfast companions. May they guide you towards the peace you eternally seek.